If you don't like to type in long sentences, then you can use the dictate feature to type out the words that you speak onto your mic. And to do that, you can go to tools right here, and then here you can see that there's an option called voice typing. So once you click on this, you have this. You can choose the language on which you want to dictate in. So there's tons of options right over here, but I'm going to stick to English just like this. And then I'm going to go around and then click on this icon to speak. And once you click on the icon, you have to allow the browser to use the microphone so that it can actually take in the voice and process it in Google server. So I'm just going to click on allow. And now you can just speak onto your microphone, and you can see that whatever I am speaking is being typed out onto the document just like this. And it is much more faster than typing it onto the keyboard just like that. So now you can see that everything is there. You want to stop recording, then what you can do is you can simply click on the microphone icon right here, and then it stops recording right over here. And that is how you can use the speech to text feature to dictate out the words that you say onto Google Docs documents. Hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.